Hi students, in this video we will talk about the deductive geometry. So look at these figures. Do you think that these two lines are parallel? Well, actually, they look like not parallel, but they are parallel. So see? How about this? Do you think that the block is covering a black line only? But in fact, there are two black lines in this figure. So we can say that when we do observation, it can only give some intuitive information, but the result may not be accurate. So if we want to study geometric relationship, we cannot rely on observation. We need to use deductive reasoning. So for deductive reasoning, there will be some conditions, and we draw conclusions by deductive logic. So see some examples here. So there are some conditions. All students can join a workshop, and Peter is the student. By deductive logic, we can conclude that Peter can join the free mathematics workshop. And also, we can have some condition in mathematics. All squares have 4 equal sides, and figure ABCD is a square. By deductive logic, we can say that figure ABCD has 4 equal sides. And we need to know more about Euclid. Euclid is the father of geometry, and he was the greatest mathematician in ancient Greece. And he wrote a book that is Elements, and this is the first book introducing the deductive system. And it is a consolidation of some achievements of Greek mathematicians and also his own findings. In Elements, there are 23 definitions on basic terms. For example, what is point, what is line, and what is angle? And there are 5 axioms. So what is definition? Definition is a statement that explains the meaning of mathematical terms of a figure. An axiom is that we accept to be true, but we don't have any deductive reasoning. For definition, let's say an acute angle is an angle less than a right angle. This is the definition of an acute angle. For axiom, we may say that all right angles are equal in size, but we don't have any deductive reasoning to prove it. And based on these definitions and axioms, Euclid deducted some theorems. So a theorem is a statement that is determined to be true by using deductive reasoning. And we use it based on definition axioms or even some other theorems. Let's say we have this. This is based on some deductive reasoning so that we can say that the sum of all the angles at a point is 360 degrees. So this process of deductive reasoning, we call it proof. In this chapter, we will learn how to prove different things.